Hey everyone! Finally a video that truly fits my channel's theme. Today I'm making this hanging planter. Lately I've been working a lot with the blue tones. No idea why it's blue. So let's get started. To create any round shape, I use a balloon as a mold. You can make your own planter bigger or smaller, whatever suits you best. I secure the balloon onto a stable surface so it stays in place. First step, we need to reinforce the concrete. To make the planter sturdy, I need to reinforce the concrete. I recommended either soaking fabric completely in the concrete mix or at least layering it loosely so the concrete seeps into all areas. I got a little carried away and ended up with too much fabric and too little concrete, which isn't ideal. If the concrete doesn't fully saturate the fabric, the structure might not be hardened properly. On the step 2, we need to shape the planter. Next, I apply the concrete mix and shape the planter, leaving holes for the rope that will hold it. These spots need extra reinforcement. Apply more concrete to make sure they can support the weight of a plant. I then let it dry to 2-3 days, just no rush here. Once the concrete has fully hardened, I remove the balloon and base. Then smooth out the inner part of the planter, focusing on the edges, since that's where all the weight will be supported. And last step is painting and decorating our planter. For the color, I probably should have explored different inspiration, but I went with the green-blue dripped effect. First, I coat the entire planter with white acrylic paint to make the colors pop. It's best to let the white base fully dry before moving on. You can decorate yours however you like. I recommend checking out channels that showcase different painting techniques. I'll definitely do that too. Even though I recently did a project in the same style. Oh well. Once the painting was done, I let the planter dry for a few hours, then struggled a lot to thread the ropes and tie them securely. But in the end, here's the final result. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments.